Before you begin, remove the top cover, battery, power button board, solid-state drive, and system board. Removal. Disconnect the fan cable from its connector on the system board. Turn the system board over. Note: the heatsink has numbers adjacent to the following 4 screws. Loosen the 4 captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the heatsink over the processor in numerical order. Note: due to the adhesive quality of the thermal grease located between the heatsink and the processor components, it may be necessary to move the heatsink from side to side to detach it from the system board. Remove the heatsink from the system board. Reverse this procedure to install the heatsink.